Okay, so this is the earlier arrangement of the elements with the Earth in the center and the other elements surrounding it. And this is the later arrangement, where the Earth takes the place between fire and metal. And this is the position. Fire at the top, water and metal at the bottom. Those are more yin, water and metal. Fire is the most yang. And then the wood is the yang awakening, and the earth is the end of the summer, the late summer, so the beginning of the descent, the last stretch of the summer journey. And why do we have this arrangement? Because it helps understand how those elements communicate. Nature communicates through chi. Chi are those building blocks that make the body. Nature, everything works in coordination with chi. It's an intelligent energy. And so there is a creative cycle where those elements all help one another. The wood feeds the fire, or put wood in the fire, it burns. Fire makes the earth through the volcanoes, then you have land. Earth is the metal, makes the metal, creates metal. Metal, the rocks inside the earth compressed, the precious metals. We'll talk about metal today. That's how earth creates metal. And then metal creates water. If you melt metal, it becomes liquid. And metal, it's also, in the Chinese system, it's called metal. In other traditions, it's called air. Air. A-I-R. And so air condensation, rains. And then water feeds the wood. Wood grows and then burns. Yeah, okay, so that's the process. This is called the creative cycle. Each element creates one another. But what happens if we keep creating? We end up with more and more and more and cloud and mess. That's unhealthy. So the system has another cycle in place that is called the controlling cycle. The control cycle keeps the organ system, the elements, in balance. So they grow to a certain point, and then there is another element that controls the growth. Yeah? And so the control cycle goes across, skips one and goes across. So the wood controls the earth through the root system. You get rid of the trees, you have mudslides. So the roots are controlling the earth. The earth controls the water. The earth gives a place for the river to flow. It's a container. The water controls fire. Put water in the fire, it goes down. Fire controls metal. Fire melts metal. Metal controls wood. Metal will cut wood. And then the cycle continues again. This is controlling cycles. So those are the two healthy cycles that are always in place to keep these energies at a reasonable, healthy balance. There's no perfection in life, we know that, neither in energy, in the level of energy. But the idea is that they all have, so there are 20% each, that would be the perfect. 20 here, 16 there, 27 there, so that's a healthy distribution of energy among all of them. And this is the energy in our body. So when we have these, some people have more energy, some people have less energy. That's their constitution, that's how they are, that's how we are. But that's the energy we have. And then how that energy gets distributed is the health or unhealth issues that we are dealing with.